All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I am here again to give you updates on what is going on in Finland as PM is in Finland court. His appeal has started yesterday, and Biafrans went there to see him, of course, as it was planned. So, in case if I missed out, we are here to give you everything in detail, especially what happened yesterday. Very, very important. I would like to start with this picture you are seeing here. I have shown you the videos in our second platform of what happened between Adasa Ekpa and Caroline Mbese and the Warri sister. These two individuals, tried to fight. They tried to fight. Look at Caroline Mbese, the shine woman. People, that call herself shine baby. She started recording Adasa Monegba, and you know what happened there. Of course, I'm going to show the same thing here because I want everyone to get used to the picture of Warrior sister. That's why I want to bring it back again in this particular video. In case if you are new to the channel, please like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. We are not here calling for anybody to go and attack anybody. I'm not saying you should go and attack Warrior sister. I'm not saying you should go and do anything to her. No. But for knowledge sake, let us know who is who, because if you begin to cover some of these things, they will think that that nobody knows them, and they are the one calling people's names and trying to make it look like they are the only one that have access to the information. Okay, so please pay attention as we go there. Like I said, did something yesterday that I believe maybe you have seen that. Some of you have seen that. Some of you may have not seen that. But let's go through. Let's go there, one more time to see through that. Okay. Then after this, we are going to present to you other things that happen in the court. So please do me a favor, like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Now, this is Adasa Monegba in the court, not inside the court anyway, but in the court premises. Hear what she said.
Everybody's here right away, getting ready to go inside for our and also listen to the court proceedings. So Biafrans have gathered here already, waiting. So as you can see, our people are here. Our people are here waiting.
So this is Adasa Monegba when she flipped off the camera. She started by filming herself, and she turned the camera for you to see the surroundings, for you to see the background, what is going on there. Then she started by recording from afar. Then she moved from there to here.
You can see our people waiting.
So here is Caroline Mbese and Warri sister and Papa Simon. Okay, and this is where the problem started.
Our people are here waiting.
Now here comes their prime minister, like I told you before, and she just arrived, and they stood up to greet her. Now, Carolina stood up as well, moved straight, very close range to Adasa Monegba to record her. Reason best known to her. Remember, she saw her recording before the prime minister arrived. So maybe she felt like, okay, let me show my prime minister that we are I am very, very vibrant. And she want to fight back because now has come, which is the prime minister. Now, you can see how close. You can see how close. Look at her. Okay. You can see. She said, I'm not going to record you because you're recording me. She even went as far as saying that you don't want people to see you. Then her prime minister and their citizens, they turn around to observe what is going on with their stubborn citizens in their little mind, right? Here it is. You see, she's still recording that sermon. Prime minister trying to, protect her and kind of stop her to calm her down. Now, Warren's sister, decided to take some steps towards Ada Simon, and this is what happened.
This is
At this point, that someone don't want to mention her name. You know why I'm repeating this? Because I want people to understand what happened. Because when you say it in live broadcast, people don't have time to watch the video to, that length. So don't feel bored. I know many of you will be like, "Oh, I have heard this. Let me go." Don't go anywhere because this is not the only why we're here. She just approached Ada Simon with her phone recording, and Ada Simon said that but she don't even want to mention her name because Ada Simon is a media person now, so she actually know who this woman is, but she don't want to talk more, mention her name. But the woman in question don't even remember that she's hiding on X with that her picture. Decided to show her face in the name that I want to do that. Shine did her own. That Kalana, whatever they call her, did her own. Let me do my own. That kind of thing. So the useless woman said that this is the sabo. Sometimes I don't know if people don't have shame. Shall we talk about what it takes to be a sabo? Then you now know who is sabo between this woman and Ada Simon. But they are pretending. Remember her face, so because we are going to talk about her in the future. Look at her. Worry sister, look at her.
Thank you. Look at you.
So when she said in the all of them felt uneasy. Okay, those of them that fall back there, like this papa here is USB. You can see his cap. Pay attention. This is sorry about that. This is Obi. Okay. So this is Nkiru and Van. I was told that at this point, people started questioning who started this fight and all that. It turned out to be that even those people here testified that someone was right, was on her own, and they approached her, began to insult her.
Is our people waiting?
Look at her. Mbeze still approach, try to get closer more to record again. This is Olewunle. Here is Lazuba. Okay, that was the one of it. Now here is when PM. This is PM inside the courtroom. Okay, and they told people not to record. They want people not to record on your phone, but they themselves later recorded things and posted it. You will see how they grab Ada Simon camera from here. This is PM Simon Ekpa. Now, wait. I want you to see the. I hope it's here. No, just a moment. Now, oh, the phone. I want you to see the worried sister's face. Okay, you can see her face here, trying to pretend to be emotional. Emotional. So don't worry. I will try and capture the face. Now, look at her here. Okay, worried sister. Look at her. Let me take it back a little bit again. Now, you see, this worried sister here. You can see her face, trying to show this PM here, trying to show, oh, I mean that like she's emotional. These are the gangsters that went out there and said prayer at the beginning of before the course sitting. They would hold hands together. Even at that time, join them and pray. But they all have bitterness. From Bryce Nokoma to Chomokoma. Bryce Nokoma fought, some people because he wanted to send some their own group, to Courtroom than abandoning even USB. Like at that someone is supposed to catch up her flight in few hours. I think a few hours before the court settings, and she begged them, allow me to be in the court. Bryce Nokoma was fighting her. He said no until one of the organizers, I think he defied, maybe another person, I don't know the name, but one of the organizers, resisted him, and some of the people there, joined and said no. See that someone is catching up her flight. Allow her to go in. That is the reason why they let her allow her. But ordinarily, he wanted to stop at that someone by 5 by force. Here is PM, that's someone meeting PM, hugging PM, and telling PM that I am not more about that someone. Now, see, this is a real picture. You can see the face of the woman that claimed filled with happiness, with the bitterness. Is there and pretend to be emotional when you see PM. But when they go out there, everything PM does. Look at her face. Look at her. This life not too balanced. This life not too balanced. You see? As she recording, I think it is time they grab her mic, her camera. It's a good warning. In Afia, Anagoria. But they later recorded the whole thing themselves and published it. You know why? Seeking for relevancy. The same thing I complained about, that I told you the guys, that everything you are seeing today is just to show who is in charge and who is not in charge. That's have been their end goal. Their main goal is to prove that, me, a homie, I am in charge, I am this and that. And where do you think this kind of thing is going to take them to? Do you understand? Where is it going to take them to? Why must you think that acting this way is the best way to unite or bring people together? Some of them will believe that PM can never ever be with anything USB. I don't know what is wrong with some people. I genuinely don't know what's wrong with some people. And PM told them, I was told that the PM, handshaked Lazuba and told Lazuba that he should stop fighting on social media. And he advised that people should stop fighting on social media because most of the things on social media is what they are using in the courts. One of it is this ESN. You will see them making argument that Mas Makan have told them that the ESN should be this, ESN should be that. But PM Samadapa is facing charges in Finland because of ESN name and all that, right? And one of the reasons Finnish court, one of the things they are using as in the line of argument, trying to prove what I don't know. They are trying their best to claim that, not claiming, to use the fact that Nigerian government prescribed ESN. They want to stand on that to rule the case. Surprise, surprise. People are telling you now that you should, they have to, that they're going back to ESN, that ESN is still intact, is what it is, and all that. The question is, why all of a sudden they are talking about ESN again? Don't you think that some people are somewhere pressing the button of this ESN, knowing for a fact that that name is one of the things they are using against PM? PM in defense keep on telling them that I don't work with ESN. I have never done anything with ESN in recent age. That immediately after kidnap of Master Kano, we selected people that knows how to follow the rules and regulation, people that are well trained in different liberation army. So as in making this defense line, some people are somewhere pushing Biafran Liberation Army to say that to start saying that, oh, you know, I am the ESN, and some are justifying that and insulting you for that. We go to possibly make an argument with that, make an argument on that. Choose survivor the same thing. Solomon Unkocha the same thing. The question is, are they not following the court case? Do they even bother to hear what Finnish government are saying to PM, like their line of argument, to make sure they use that to pin PM down? How many of them can beat their chest and say, truly, I have discovered this, I'm not going to say it again? How many can do so? Anyway, maybe when we come live, we're going to dwell on this in a very, very, very good way. But I want to share something again with you, because Sonat Barawa also made a post. Sonat Barawa made a post and said something that I would like to share with you. Please, in case if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video widely. The post we are seeing here is Sonat Barawa. This is the only post from Ogenkere people. People are surprised. Sonny, are you having issue with Ogenkere? Why are you now talking as if you want PM to be free? Listen. The fight so far is too dirty that many people believe there's no room for unity. I'm not going to rule out unity. I'm not going to rule it out. That's why whatever you're doing, make sure you don't extend your boundary. You don't exceed your boundary, rather. Because some people are doing what they're doing, believing that when the time comes, everybody's going to unite together. We shall see. Finland, Sonat Barawa said, this is what he wrote. Finland released Simon Ekpa. He is afraid to put PM because of Ogenkere. He said, stop conducting secret trial on Simon Ekpa. Stop conducting secret trial on Simon Ekpa's court case, because you picked him up in the open while fighting in the open for Biafra independence. Simon must be released. His only crime is fighting for Biafra, and same thing to Mas Nnamdi Kanu. Why Nigerian government rehabilitates and pay Boko Haram every day. Very nice post, but there are more to that. Watch. Here is PM also in the court. Okay? Okay, that is a short clip. PM also in the court. When I show you when they fought USB citizens, okay, it's not only that. It's not only that, because this is when they did not fight only Ada Simon. Here also, this camera shows this Chomo Koma group fighting USB people again. Listen, I'm going to wait, watch. Bring it. Just watch us. Did you hear that? All right, let me make it snappy. So this sorry about the noise. This woman, this woman is following USB. Okay, she's following USB, and one of the one of Chomo Comas, of course, Shine Baby, who called her name is Caroline Nambes, and Warrior Sister Group. Okay, they fought this woman there, and the reason I don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you, and I don't know who told her what she said. That she was calling up Batobie just to cheer Batobie up. Somebody trying to stop her. Oh, don't say that. Don't say that. Why are you making noise? He said that I just want to cheer him also so people will know that we are here for him. He said, but you are following God. What does that have to do with that? Bitterness. And the annoying part is that these guys are something people should be doing to them. You know, something people should be doing to them is what they're trying to do to others. Trying to be violent for no just reason. Anyway, like I said, when we come back, when we stream live, we may dwell on that in a very good way. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about all discussed so far in this video. Tomorrow, the court will continue, but it's not going to be public. So people that travel there, most of them are going back now. You understand? So let's watch and see how the whole thing will unfold. God bless you and take care of yourself. Good morning to you all. Day one.